shit decks that everybody plays. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just play a shit deck. One of those shitty decks. Let's remove all of this crap. Go away, everybody. Yeah, change pets. Do the real classic team. Let's play him here. Yeah, of course you are always welcome. Let's play him, Santa Claus, why not? And do people always play her? I mean, she's just terrible. I don't like her. Especially mine is really terrible too. Let's put an Ali over here. Ali seems to be popular. Anybody likes his team? Does it look like a great team for you guys? Right? Great team. Yeah, let's go. Let's go with the team. Let's go with this, see who we get. Ooh. Dolly. Sure. Wow. Wow. Yeah, baby. Stupid Fury. So lame. Fury for 1,000 damage. I mean, that's some damage. And my Fury is not even a good one. Okay, let's try the shit team again. Shit team here. What? He's playing... What are you playing? Wait, oh, he's playing probably his mining team. So it's shit team versus shit team. Sure, Mina over here. And Fury on the bottom, and that's it. I even get the free roll lady over here. You see that one? Yeah, let's just crunch. For the extra attack. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Oh, Ali. Terrible. They both miss. Yep, shit team for the win. I mean, it's a shit team, but it still wins, right? Let's keep going. Who are these people? Why am I going backwards now? Probably the AI has understood that my team is terrible and decided to give me easier opponents just to, I don't know, spare my feelings or something. Well done. Full impact into the breastplate. Yeah, look, it's a trash can. I haven't drawn a trash can actually. Let's just crunch this crap. My pet is currently at 18. That's why the Strix was so impressive. It just busted everything. I will play him up top for the extra brutal one. Shit team seems to be winning. I didn't even put 5 seconds of thought into the team. Just throw some random order together, and oh look, I can play Mr. Trashcan himself. Look how trashy he is. Look at him being all trashy. Ouch. Ouch. Super Mina, and then it's going to be Legion of Doom. Downstream Legion of Doom. No! Why? Why would you do that to me? And they're going to get silence, right? Yeah. The silence. Trixie. Oh, this is going to be another one of those Strix moves. Yeah. Let's go crunch your face. I think this is enough. Yeah. Doesn't even need Legion for that. Good. Let's keep going backwards. See how many non-games I get. Oh, Aggie. Now this is going to be interesting, to say the least. So I came prepared for that. Look at this. It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, look, it's a floss. So let's just keep doing stuff. Well done. Wow, floss is over. No, that's going to be painful. That Shamuna. That's going to be a pain in the arse. Especially because of the mini Tesla. So what do we do here with this guy? I can try. I mean, I don't think I'm going to survive that Shamuna. Let's try this. See if this works. Cool. Cool. Thank you. It was too low in life. It was too low in life. Also, skipping a turn, never a good idea. So, place 32 now. So let's start the good old-fashioned just here behind the bush. Good old fun stuff. It's not even a good one. I think it's Third Reborn. Not particularly impressive. Yeah, you will die right now. Look at how that boosts. It's just so crazy. Oh look, great stuff. So now you are ready to die. Good. You have done it. You accomplished all your goals. Wow, that Shamuna is embarrassing. Skipping a turn is not even good anymore. Oh, let's just do this. Yeah, out of the way. Trash can. I'm almost getting shot now. I mean, makes sense. Topped. Ooh. What? You play the weak plant? What is this? What are you doing? You're playing the... What is this guy about? Seriously, somebody help me here. So we're going to set up double tinkering, destruction of the forest, and crying of everybody in the forest. See if that works. Ooh, it's a monkey. That monkey is going to have fun. Here, take this. Wow, that monkey didn't do much. Your very own trash can. Mine was better than yours. Let's go over here, pump the dorks. Silence. Okay. Oh, Ogrog. Yeah, that's some style right there. That's some style. Let's just turn everything to no. Let's just win this. Yeah. Bye bye. Was it 7 levels boosted, the monkey? It didn't really survive the tinker though, and the bolt to the face. Okay. So this seems to be going nowhere because I get that 1 point for every victory. Harry Hector. At least we're playing a strange new deck, at least for me. So this is just like a new feeling. Look, a trash can. How amazing! Isn't that exciting to play a trash can every day? Yeah, I wanted this. I wanted this so bad. Take this, sir. The second one is going to hurt massively. Look at that. Boom! Burn, burn, burn. Burn down the forest. Yeah, this is over, sir. You're not winning this. Pretty sure you already know. Yeah, those are just more than enough. Yeah, double hitting Santa Claus for the extra value. Oh, my trash can is dead. Harry Hector, you're a great guy. So what else do we have now?